Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Alex here, and if it's your first time watching a Sneakerhead in the Bay video, please make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 600,000 subscribers. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your aunt, your uncle, your grandma, everybody, man. We're like 3,000 subscribers away from hitting 600K, which is insane. So thank all of you guys for watching these videos. Now, by the title of this video, you probably already know what you're getting yourselves into, and we're gonna be talking a little bit about reselling on eBay, especially. Now, not selling on eBay, but gathering all the goods to sell on your website, your Instagram, your Facebook, do meetups, and all that good stuff. So I do have some boxes here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a couple other pieces that I picked up recently on eBay. Now, a lot of people ask me like, yo, Alex, how are you making money? Are you making money through YouTube? Are you doing this? Are you doing that? And it's really a bundle of things. And I actually had somebody comment on my Instagram saying, when your YouTube isn't popping, so you have to sell sneakers on the side instead. Like, bro, let me leave you guys with a piece of advice, okay? Whether you're younger, you're older, whatever the case may be, all I have to say is that if you guys want to make it in life, you want to live comfortably, you want to have wealth in the future, you need multiple sources of income. So reselling is one way that I make money, but I do have a few streams of income coming in, which is nice because when one stream, gets a little dry, the other streams can take care of you. Okay, so I just want to set you guys up. For those of you that don't know that, now you know. They don't teach that in school, but I highly recommend finding, a side hustle, resell, multiple jobs. Just learn how to make money. That is one of the best things that you could ever do in life. Hopefully I could cover some of it by showing you guys what I got myself into today and how I kind of think when I buy these items. So the first couple items that I bought are some vintage t-shirts. Now, as you guys may know, if you guys are into like the whole sneaker thing, fashion thing, vintage t-shirts have been popping for a very, very long time, but I've been noticing a lot of people getting into the vintage NASCAR pieces. So what did I do? I went on eBay and I looked for vintage NASCAR pieces. So this is one of them that I found right here. It's a pretty fire piece. Let me see which one this one is. From 2008. Now, personally, for vintage pieces, I like buying the brand new ones just because, I don't know, it could be kind of musty if you get, some used pieces, but I don't know, some people like wearing other people's filth. I personally don't, and I think it's much cooler to sell a piece that is older but still brand new. So this one still has tags on it right here, and I'll put the price that I got it for on the screen. So I think I got this for maybe like 15 bucks. Like I said, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. $15 isn't much to invest for a piece of product like this, so I expect to be getting at least like 10 bucks out of this. Sell it for 25 bucks, make my quick 10 and dip, and then reinvest my money into some other stuff. So this one is a really quick one. I just found it. And the main thing with like eBay finds is you just have to keep looking. Like, it's in the name, eBay finds. You gotta look in order to find the good stuff. That one's a 2008, it's not too old. I don't even know if that's considered vintage, but I ended up getting this one, which is, I think, a little more fire. Let me see the date on this one. This one may not have the date on it, but I do have it on the eBay listing. But look at this. Look at the colors. Look at that pop. Again, brand new. Whenever I'm buying something, I look at it like this. Like, what would I pay for this if I was a customer? And let's say I pay 25 for this, cool. That means I either gotta get it for $10 or $15, make my margin, right? So the prices, again, will be on the screen for both of these pieces. But that's just something real quick that I'm getting into. I mainly stick to the sneakers just because I know more of the sneaker game than the vintage game. So let's get into some of the sneakers that I purchased. And if I didn't mention it already, this is not sponsored by eBay by any means. They're not paying me to say this. I just utilize their website and their application all the time to resell and find a bunch of goods on there. So I figure, you know what, let's go ahead and make a video just to give you guys a little insight of what your boy does on the side. I don't even remember what I picked up because I be getting shoes in and out, in and out. But what I really do like about eBay is that, first of all, they're taking off all seller fees. So I've been selling on eBay as well. That's also another thing. And then they also authenticate a lot of the goods that are on there, which is amazing. As long as it has a little badge next to it. It's a blue badge. It says authenticity guarantee. But I went ahead and picked these up. These are a size 8 pair of Air Jordans. Ooh. And these are a fire pickup right here. We have the infrared 6s. in beautiful condition. I try to buy shoes that aren't too worn, man. I personally like buying shoes that I would buy, you know, like I don't want to sell any thrash shoes or anything. So these ones are in decent condition. I try getting shoes that are like 8.5 out of 10 and up, and I try to get them for a really good price. So these ones, obviously, I did get for a good price. Nike Air on the back, really good condition. And whenever I shop on eBay, I definitely make sure to utilize that accept offer filter that they have, because I am not paying the listing price. So whatever the listing price was for this, I ended up getting it for way cheaper. So yeah, that's the first one. My guide to buying shoes is to have like a $30 to $50 profit margin. That means whatever I buy the shoe for, let's say $150, I need to sell it for $180 to $200, all right? And then I'll be happy. I get my money back and I profit $30 to $50. Some shoes you could profit way more. Some shoes it might just be a little bit less, depending on how easy or how hard they are to move. That's generally the idea when it comes to reselling like used sneakers, which I prefer. Let's check this pair out. Again, authenticity guarantee, amazing. And it also makes the buyers feel like a little sense of relief when they see that. So I got a size 10 pair of Jordans right here. And these are the Air Jordan Carmine 6s. Very, very good condition. I'm actually surprised about how this colorway is selling right now. It's not selling for too much. I think DS, they're selling for about $250. I think I ended up getting these for a really good deal. Looks like they were worn a couple times. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram already, that's where I sell the majority of my sneakers. If I don't have these listed by the time this video is live, I'm not gonna say that they're listed or anything. Just follow me on Instagram and then you guys will see all of these. And eBay has a nice little authentication tag right here, so you know it's legit. Yeah, we have 2 sneakers left. Let's see what we have in this box. And just to give you guys an idea of stuff, right? So let's say I sell all of these for a $50 profit for the sneakers. I have 4 sneakers here. That's $200 that I made already, or I'm planning to make. And then for the shirts, it's gonna be about $10 profit each shirt. So that's about 220 bucks right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Luckily for me, it's a little bit easier to move sneakers. I know, like, if you don't have a sneaker following, it may be a little bit harder, but I'm just trying to make sense of what I got and build off of what I got. So this one doesn't come with a box. This one came in an eBay bag, which is pretty nice. And let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. Okay, check this out. We got some Air Jordan Jubilees. Now these weren't hidden for too much when they dropped, but it's starting to get closer to that like winter season. Usually November, December, that's like Jordan 11 season. A lot of Jordan 11s tend to release. So I want to re-up on some Jordan 11s that people aren't going to be seeing. So the Cool Grays are releasing in December. I think these are going to be a heavy hitter just because it's a black and white sneaker. It's a Jordan 11, always classic with that patent leather look. And I ended up getting these for a really good deal. So again, I think these are gonna be really easy to flip. I'm very picky about the sneakers that I purchase just because, like, bro, you know, if you want to sell shoes and you wanna flip them quick, you gotta know what to purchase. So I thought these would be really good to add to the mix. And it's pretty cool to see eBay include like a little dust bag for the shoes that don't come with the box. So that's cool. And we got one more package left, so let's go ahead and check that out. All right, we got a pair of Yeezy linens in the mix. Yeezys have been all right lately, but you know, I had to get these because they were a good price, especially with December coming around. I think a lot of people are gonna wanna treat themselves, or they're gonna look for a specific sneaker to give, you know, their significant other or give their homies. So this might just be one of them, man. So I went ahead and I purchased these. So that is going to wrap up everything in this video. I know it was a quick one, like I said, but I just want to give you guys a little insight on what I'm doing on this side. So typically I try to purchase about 10 sneakers every single day on eBay, which is why I have sneakers coming in, coming out. There's sneakers that I hold, there's sneakers that I sell like right off the rip. 10 sneakers a day, that's about 300 sneakers a month. Some days I buy more, some days I buy less, but let's say on average, even if you want to cut it down, let's say you buy 100 sneakers in a month, you flip each of them for a $50 profit, you will profit $5,000. All right, after you sell 100 sneakers. $5,000 right to your bank. That's after all the costs and everything like that. $50 profit on each sneaker, 100 sneakers, all right? But yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, I definitely would love to go more in depth with it, just because, like I said, man, a lot of people tell me to, you know, shy away from what I do on the side or how I make money, but I really think that there's enough to go around for everybody, and I kind of get bugged when people don't want to share the sauce with other people. Like, why do I have to keep this to myself? If you know what you're doing, or you want to learn, or you're just, you know, you have that drive to learn, you can definitely do it. You just need a little bit of money to start. I mean, I could even show you guys, if you give me like $200 to start with, at the end of the month, I'll turn that 200 into like $1,000 bucks. That's just how I am. I've always been able to, you know, look at something, invest it into other things, and just watch that money tumble over, tumble over, tumble over. And I'm always thinking like that. That's just how my brain works. Money makes money, as my grandfather would say, as my dad would say. So the more you invest in this, the more time you invest in this, the more money you invest in this, the more money you will make. All right. Again, this is just one of my side hustles. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Again, we're almost at 600,000 subscribers, which is insane. If you guys would like to support my channel or support your boy any further, check out my website, shopsotopia.com. That's where I sell all my sneakers, sneaker cleaner, custom goods, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. Road to 600K, baby. I'm out. Peace.